Tiny pass here called Deception Pass. It has a really ripping current through it. When we get into situations where there's a lot of moving water where we're going, stay out of the white water.
Yeah.
We don't want you to go into anything that's going to submerge you or the machine.
What are you doing, guys?
Thanks, Stereo.
Ich sehe mich schon tagelang hier stehen. Wir machen dann noch.
Now we're just tying up the skis and going to get ourselves organized. All right, and inside my booty is a lot of water, salt water from the inside passage. All right, so we just made it into harbor, got the skis tied up. It's absolutely beautiful, and we just happen to be located in
Mill Bay, British Columbia.
Mill Bay, British Columbia, the great country of Canada. And what are y'all doing down here? I know what you're doing. They're eating chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, we're
Well,
just hiking.
Hiking and eating cookies.
Yeah.
We'll enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, dinner time in Mill Bay with the guys.
I sure did.